भरली नाकिरो नाकिरो पैसा ना क्या है मैंने कहा था ना चलो आज रहा पर नाना घबराई यार
गॅलन धरी आहे बाहेर मग हुंडी साठून भर देतात
भरेगी मत को
हां जरा खाली
भरेगा
नहीं जमाव नहीं कहीं जरा करूँ तो काय चाहिए अरे ये कपड़ा अलग धोना पड़े तुम कपड़ा अलग धोना पड़े कपड़ा के दो फिर हमारा एक आप है इसका तेरे कपड़ा धोना છે अभी रात को क्या जरा हम आवती नहीं चुप कर
In this line, 11th line, s is a variable. We are updating s plus I. I will take all the values of argument as a loop and add to the s variable. Once we add, s will update it. Then next iteration, second time, this value will be updated and next value like this. S is 0. The argument is like result 14th and 15th line. If we pass one value, what will this loop do? S is equal to 0 first, then S plus I means S remains same and I is 1. Then final output is 0 plus 1 is equal to 1. Variable s stores 1. If we pass two secondary value in argument, the loop again runs for all arguments. First we given 1, then we are giving two arguments. Loop two arguments, then first is 1 and second is 2. Then what will this loop do? Loop will added 1, then next iteration s becomes 1, s is equal to 1 plus I will become 2 in next iteration. Final output s is equal to 3 and so on. We can do for multiple values as we give arguments, like I'll give 3. First I run and show the output of these two arguments. 1 plus 2, 3. You can see there. I'll print as output. Output is 3. As you can see here, we can give multiple arguments here. So I'll put 3. 1 plus 2, 3. 3 plus 3, 6. The output will appear here as 6. Here you can see it's 6. The best part is using asterisk variable arguments as argument. If you remove all the values here and you try to run it, the function, it will remain 0. If you print or we comment this output as print statement is commented. Now no error is found. If we remove this asterisk and we don't give positional arguments, what I mean is arbitrary argument example. If we remove this asterisk, this will throw an error because see, first we see run and see the error. What is saying? Trace back. This is give error in some value, type error. It expected one argument because it is passed by value. If we don't put here something, we can't put it. String is row. We have to bind in this single quote, double quote, but here we can't do this because we are playing with numbers 5. If we put this, what is going on here? Int is not iterable. What is saying? We are giving arbitrary values, but we give as variable, so this won't work. We have to put it as string. So everything is fine. Now you can see output 5. 5 5 is 5. If we try to sum 6 with 5 and 1, 5, 6, 11, 12. 12 is the output if we run this function. You can see the output here.
अब आधा जोन बोले कि कई दिन और आधा बोले कि अब कोई बोले कि कई दिन अपने थोड़ी आओ करें
Now we see next example. 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 Now we see. Add function 2 times and print it. Here is multiple values adding using loop. If we remove this, we got errors. This argument is very well prefixed. Static store all the values prior to it, and here arguments become a tuple. Then loop over with item to add the numbers. What is saying? It takes one positional argument, but forward given. It's counting 4. You can see first value, second value, third value, fourth value. What is showing? A variable single. It's assuming as variable. So it can't store 4 values because it's int variable. Let's I show you. If we create a variable like number, we show big number or small number, whatever you want, but you can't do this. Let's see what's we'll print and see what will happen. It is converted into tuple. Let's see the type. Type number. It's considered as a tuple. So we are making tuple. Now some of you thinking we can store it as like this in single variable. Why we can't use it as a variable like this? We give single variable, we are doing multiple variables. What is going on? If we give single variable, it will okay fine with it, but we give it multiple, it can't store and iterate. function because we are looking here, so we have to put asterisk, so it iterate one by one. See again, first output, first output, second output. We run this. We forgot to put comma in here. Now we run it. Syntax error, we forgot comma. You can see this in this. If bar argument with arbitrary argument is also possible to have functionality. Some requirement before the sequential. What is average of first test and best following tests? First value rest. What is doing? Passing to max. Return first plus second by 2. This function does the average. First value. Wait a second, I put charger for my laptop. Hey guys, I'm back. Doubling chat. Why guys, nobody's showing up on my stream? Single user, double user. Sorry, I said user, it's view. No one is watching. We have to chill.
वहाँ जाने को टाइम नहीं है ना ढूंढना मंदिर रास्तों भी अच्छे नहीं है कभी रास्ता ढूंढ को तो चल मोटरसाइकिल से चल जाता बोल
First value, what is doing? Let's run and see. Average of sub, all value. Function. The following example, average function assume the student can take any number of tests. First test is mandatory. It can take like to meter calculating the average marks of first test at each exam. What is doing in function? A single student first score 100 out of 50. It took 50 value. We'll say 40 because of we passed 40. 100 out of 40. What is doing? First year is mandatory. You have to give first compulsory one time exam. If you don't do, it can't be calculated. Do this and we can do second time exam as you can see. This is first case and these are rest test case. Oops. Rest test case. First, second and third. 40 score 40, 30, 50, 25. We what will do? We consider as a single and then we consider the bunch. What is we are doing? We calculate and find the maximum, and then we here is maximum 40 and first value is remain same. We are checking all tests which is given by user. First remains 14. 14 is remain all always because it's first, and then rest. The highest maximum is for is 50. He checks all the values and find the maximum is 50. Then it average both in return value. First is maximum is 50. It took 50. 40 plus 50 90. 90 divided by 2 means 50 is the answer. I hope you get it. We copy every function can give multiple test. If we give 60, the first test is remain same 40, and then its average except remaining all this. Wait, I'll give you an example. If teacher allows you single exam and you can score first time, if you not satisfied, you can try multiple tests and we'll see the maximum value and average it. What is we doing? We remain first exam, then first exam we score 40. Then we are not satisfied, we have to try it again and give multiple tests. For second time we score 30. Then we are not satisfied, we score 50, 25 and 60. So on. We stop at 30, 60, sorry. First is 40. First remains same. And the highest score we find by second. Max function use rest. Rest first this given to first. 40 will appear here. 40 is equal to 40. You can consider it in back all values is goes to this this like this, and then what makes function do gives the 60 16 60 because 60 is the maximum value. 60 is maximum value. We average because we average 40 plus 60 is equal to 100 divided by 2. Answer will be 50. Now we print answer 50. Grade function, you can say. We have to edit a dog string for better understanding in future. I will copy. My function is two argument. First the required argument. Second only any number of values. I'll copy and then paste it here so I can see it in future to understand my own code, or I'll say tutorial point code. Chat, say W in chat, W in chat, W in chat. I'll beg, bye. I'll beg. I'll have to drink water.
दवा पे गो और दो टाइम के बेटा आई फैन भी है नहीं घर पर साड़ी ले आओ तुम्हें डाल लो तो फोन लगाओ ये पी लो ये कांच का पहले कांच कितना पी जा जरा सा पी का
I'm back, guys. I'm back. Now we see what we are learning next. I wanna see your reaction. Comment something, bro. Comment if you're watching something. You have to respond. Nobody is here. Let's see what we are doing next. Come on, guys. Show up. Somebody show up. This average function is so cool, bro. Now we'll go for next one. If a value, sorry, if a variable in argument list has to add prefix to it function can accept arbitrary number of keywords argument. Its variable becomes dictionary of keywords value pair. In the following code, the example of function arbitrary value argument address function has argument 286 quarks keyword arguments arcs and quarks short form. This is able to accept any number of address element like city, phone number, pin, etc. inside the function arguments. Sorry, keyword arguments quarks dictionary key value pairs. I was using item method. Let's see what is doing, what this function is doing here. we try the new function. First we have to comment so it not will appear in output screen. This is output debug console terminal ports for networking purposes. Problems will show up here. I'm using VS Code. This is Python main.py extension. I have Atom 1 Dive Pro UI for theme. I install C++ extension theme. And this is for icon. Get Puchin icon for VS Code. Sorry for mispronunciation. Code runner for output, hiding the path of drive. So let's see the next function. Works the address. For loop is here. We are running with two values. First is k as variable and b quarks dot items. K will print value and this is for pair. First pass to keyword arguments SH1 and city Mumbai. This will appear. We can give it multiple as we use quarks and for loop in it. Let's try this out. I'll explain it more. The print statement is formatted in older manner. We can use it as F string. To do that, first we run and see the output. That is, we can give this function quarks store in form of dictionary. Means value pair. Like we give name is equal to neo. This is key. As you know, dictionary in general. For using this to string first means you have to specify both things, name and value, key and value. And before function we used one. If we don't use one, it considered a single variable and can't be looped through or operation multiple values. It takes single and gives to the function single value. Putting asterisk means it create tuple and store multiple values and loop through it. Like we give multiple values here. Without a string, the 40 will given to first variable and rest will go to rest argument variable because of asterisk. While the if you I put 17 here, it goes to rest 80 to it goes to rest like that. And here we have two asterisks means we have to specify key as name and value as arm means first key and second value. If we don't do that or miss one of these, error will show. First you have to convert in string for more readable form. String you can start with F capital or small, then double quote or single quote, then use a curly bracket for variable. We put it K and then use it second value variable as B. We have not to do this. This is old method and less readable. This is easy to use. Both will print. This will print and this will print same. Their purpose to do same thing. This K will go there here and this will go here because of format function is written like this. Let's see. First give two values and their place. Ram and Mumbai. Its city. Let's see. I because of because of two time print. First is here and second is here. The output after two times. Pass two value arguments. As you say, in output pass two value arguments. We have commented out fair arguments. We have to comment it out for focusing on this. Name is key and then value. First time John printed by this, second time John printed by this line, 9 and 10th line. If you comment it out, it will appear single time. This name is this name goes to K and this John goes to V variable and the city goes to K and Mumbai goes to V. Then again this environment goes to this city goes to this. We can give multiple values. Phone number is like phone, phone number is equal to we have to give it as a string. What I'm doing wrong? Let's wait and watch. We'll fix this. I forgot and variable expire by double quote. This is wrong. This is variable name. You can't do this. This is value. So we can put it as string to put the reference. Let's see. I'll comment this and this will appear. Ram name phone number. Let's see chat if someone is up there. No. Bro, what's going on? Nobody's showing up. It will produce the following output. This print, this print. This will goes to this. Name variable goes to k value. This curly bracket replaced by k variable, and this curly bracket is replaced by b. This name goes to and the city goes this variable. Okay, and this goes to this. We can communicate. We will change using exchange for more understanding. Output will be the same. This address shown Mumbai. Ram Ram city Mumbai phone number this. We can say multiple arguments. TGP in India. Randomized using this will also appear here in output screen. Ask me if you are not understanding. I will help you. Comment chat. Arbitrary keywords. Main benefit is multiple arguments. This. If a function meets the type argument, arbitrary keywords should after this math function, math variable, science variable. This is positional. This is positional. And this is keyword. As list. Math will science will contain numbers. The sum, math plus science, sum. Next optional. K and V again. S plus V. S के अंदर भी edit value. Value is number. Then return plus 2. Plus 2 why we are doing? Because maths is single way, more two subjects. Like 1, 2, 3. We count 3. 2 plus is because of maths and science. Length, because it's not a specified coaxial argument, it can be multiple or nothing. This will rent divided by S is real number percentage. We can see 80 result. And is percentage. This function is so great. Questions ask me. Well, eat. Guys, I will eat, then we code. I'll explain this. This is crazy function, man. This is crazy function. I love it. I love it using Python. बिस्कुट खाओ काय का ऑर्डर लाने हो मैंने काही बनाना करू काल दाल बनी रात में दाल પછી दाल बनी आजकल नहीं चलता रे अब सब्जी नहीं है बेटा तरीका से खाली क्या बनाना नवीन 21 मध्ये ना सगळे साडी काढणार खायला बटन वाटर घालला पाणी तो तयार आहे आपण साडी अच्छो रे पप्पा ने उसरा नुना दिन देखा होता तो नुकसान नहीं होता और पहले ही बांध देता पर वो कई बोले लोग भी तोड़ने लगे रहे उनको भी सारा काम लगाना पड़ेगा कोई आयो नहीं कोई आयो नहीं जिसका पास होतो नहीं ना बजी दी तो बारा होंगे तो मग मालूम नहीं कहा था शिवानी कही मैन अरे यार कहे कि बस फोटो खींच लिया जो बस पूछ लीजिए कौन है बस आना ही आ जाओ ऐसे कह रहे मन को कि हाँ पा जाऊंगा बैंक कर मैं this is stream will be continued. I am going to my farm. Bye bye. Also, go on in my farm. We continue the stream there. This stream will not end. I run through my phone. I'm eating now right now. अरे एक तो मकई तुम ना ये सब टाड़ो मकई काटना पड़ेगा ढेंगा आवाज क्यों कम करते वाला गाड़ी जाने हम तो काटी ले जाता मम्मी ने रुके जाने तो रोटी खाई लो आवाज बढ़ानी
तो क्या है बच्चे
अच्छी जगह
वही टाइगर रहेगा डेली करने करे लो पता उनका काय देखा लोग नक्की वो हाथ से पकड़ लिया सही को अगर सही दे कहीं दे सारी को ही दे दिया नीचे दे
तेनारू गाँव का नाम थी तेनाली
ये दूल्हा डरा है दूल्हा ये रोटी का थोड़ी सही रहेगा तो चल रहा बस आई कर चल क्या नहीं आई कर तो नहीं तो क्या आई कर
डोज लगेगा नहीं तो पायल पे जाऊंगा सिंह
तू बचेन काय कर खरं आता कहाँ का अच्छा लग रहा है तुझे वो एक साड़ी ले आसमानी माँ बांधी बच्ची भाई जरा तो भाई लई गया પછી ચારો કાટનો નથી આપણે એને બોલે वो वाटर लग जाए છે ઘરીને એક વાટરથી કામ થઈ જાય દો લઈ જાને અને બાંધી દીધો મોટરસાઇકલ વાટર મોય જાય તારા તો કપડા ખરી
सुंदर तो जगह बोले
ला ये कपड़ा खरी करेगा अंदर तो भेजेगा बादी टोपी नहीं जाने लंबा कपड़ा पहन जाने
हाँ
वर पाए को मच्छर काटे और साड़ी को इली का दूसरा की ना वो मतलब नहीं है
ऊपर कर दो
क्या कर लेते ले जाए बनाने पड़े कोई कह रहे आओ भाई सो था नॉल का कान से भरे छू चुका था क्या टेची में पूरे बाहर से कर जरूरत नहीं पड़ी बजन
कार भी देखना पड़ेगा
क्या क्या कर
कार काय से बांधू हम
ये यार थैली ले जाते हो कम कार थोड़ी धरा है एकदम धरा तो चल जाएगा बाटल छोड़ जाएगा और गुंजी करेगा और कार भी निकाल ही नहीं है मामा जी गोड़ बंडल में निकाल तार और इनू थैली में ले जा सामान आने को बांधी ले आप लोग जरा तो ले जा बाइक लेके चारों जने जाऊंगा तो ठीक
अरे भाई को तो छोड़ो
हाँ
छाती बजाने में क्या हो जाएगा यार रंग बड़ो के का जरा से
ये तुमको खाए कभी हम भूख लगा तो डाला नहीं ऊपर में धर दो अब सुबह जल्दी तो आवा नहीं संजय तक आवा भूख लगी डाला धर दो भाई नीचे आओ
कितना मालकिन से सुंदर की बहुत से Bro, I continue this stream with my phone. Peace out.